In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to use the plane mesh with a flat sun and to animate that flat sun across the scene. So just as before, let's add our dummy. Let's call it dummy sun. Let's position it where we want it. Let's say starting there. And I'm going to import the mesh. So this time I'm going to use a plane mesh. That gives us a plane. I can see it's flat, so what we need to do is rotate it so it's stood up. Get that round, that way. There we go. That's it there. Ooh. A bit tricky, there we go. So it's close enough, so that's stood up. And I'm going to put that roughly in the same position as my starting point. So let's just move that. So it's around the same sort of position as the dummy. There we go. That's close enough. So put my plane inside my dummy. Create my material. I'll call this one sun. And edit the material. This time I'm going to use that standard picture. So where's my sun happy picture with a transparent background? Got to remember to tell it it's transparent. That's the image. So I'll take off any of the white. And then we can close that. We can apply, so that's selected, we can apply it on the screen. There we go, so it's now on our plane. Open up the scene. Objects, object track. Make sure you've got the object name selected, so there's the dummy sun. Let's get our 3 keys in. 1, 2, 3. Last key at 100%. Second key at 50%. Okay, let's do our position for our second key. So let's move our objects so it's there and up. And then for our third position, so that's, whoops, that's there. Okay, it looks roughly like a reasonably good curve. Press OK. So you just go back, just to remind you, it's play on initiate, so as soon as it starts, it plays. Let's test it. There's our sun going up and across. Now it goes back because we've got our loop. So just show a few other settings. If I have it on ping pong mode, it will go there and then back. So it's ping ponging across. If I have it on ping pong without the loop, it'll go there and back. Stop. And if I have it on neither, it will go there and stop at the end. So there you've got another way of animating your sun found this useful, feel free to buy me a coffee.